And let's open it up. So it comes with 2 bags, but I already opened one. Here we have the 5 long fingers. They're very long, as you can see. They're long, they fit my hand perfectly. They have special ones for each finger. So there's going to be one for the middle finger, one for the index finger, one for the ring finger, one for the pinky, and obviously one for the thumb. There's different shapes and sizes, as you can see. The thumb's a little bit thicker than the rest of them. The pinky one is a little bit skinnier than the rest of them. So they're very easy to identify which one's which. The 3 in the middle are exactly the same, so there's not going to be a difference about those 2. So here's one that I'm going to show you how to put it together. And see, you can bend your finger and it bends the finger with you. It's very simple to use. Very easy for all fingers. They bend back when you want them to. So it's very useful for cosplaying or a Halloween costume or much more. So in the bag, it comes with the instructions of how to set one up, and the 5 different fingers. And as you can tell, this is obviously the pinky because it's much skinnier, tinier than the index fingers or the 3 middle fingers. It comes with the strand like this, so you can set it up. It comes with the extra band on the side, as you can tell, and that's easy to just come off because it's not really tight on here, so it's easy to take it off and use it for later if one of your string breaks or you lose it. So it's very simple to use. You just have to open it, and it says on the instructions. Lay it down flat so then you can have an opening mind of what needs to be placed. The 3 middle fingers are obviously going to be in the middle. And since this is going to be for my left hand, my thumb's going to be on my left instead of my right. So it's very simple to use. It says to just put it inside here, the bump inside, so then it won't come off as easily. And you push it on, and it should be able to not come off as easily as it says unless it gets untied, but it's fine. It can very simply put it back on, tie it back on, and it's very simple to use. You can adjust the size in case your hand is bigger than this. They do give you extra string just for that purpose, so you can make it one bigger to adjust to your hand and much more.